vibes. कोई और नहीं था.
The trip started with a really big issue. We couldn't find the bus.
We have a situation here. What is it? Do you want to tell them?
So we were supposed to be in the bus by now, but apparently there is no bus.
There is no bus.
Yup.
We booked our tickets from yatra.com and now we are calling the operator or whatever the number we had, and they say that madam सुबह कोई बस नहीं जाती है.
So basically we got scammed.
I think so we got scammed because Shri Parshvanath जिससे हमने I am taking the name because I have to so that you guys know कि क्या नहीं करना है, and वो उनका शॉप closed है, वो शटर डाउन है. हम कॉल कर रहे हैं, they are not taking our calls. वो गाय अभी वो बंदे तो फोन ही स्विच ऑफ कर दिया है. हम इतनी बार उसको फोन कर चुके हैं. So अभी I don't know what we are gonna do. बस नहीं है apparently कोई. हम बैठे हैं कार में. We are trying to search for other options.
Might
Let's see what
another ticket for another bus. Let's hope that we get to Udaipur today.
Will we get to Udaipur today?
Wait to find out.
We shall see.
Then we got another ticket. Thankfully, my dad and his friend were coming to drop us to the bus stop, so they were with us. So they helped us get another bus ticket, and then we took a bus at around 8:30, I believe. Yeah, I think it was 8:30, and then we reached Udaipur by bus around 2:30, I believe, in the afternoon. Then we had lunch. I think we did, yeah, we did lunch, and basically our plans had to change because we reached late. We were supposed to reach around 12:30, which literally went to shit because of the bus issue. So I would suggest doing a bus by Red Bus or like going to the travel agency yourself, because that's where we fucked up. We shouldn't have done that. We should have done our research. But of course we thought Yatra is a big company, but then we went on to do research more after this happened, and we found out that people have been scammed before. So yikes. So we are off for a little wandering for the first evening of our trip to Udaipur, and we're just walking down in the local areas, but this is so pretty. So fucking pretty. Okay, see you guys later. Guys, we got some bags here. I am officially broke on the first day of the trip. Ha 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 ha.
Let's see how the
Rest of the
trip goes.
Yep, I'm not shopping anymore. That's clear. But
We
yeah,
spent all our money on the very first day. Imagine.
first fucking day, guys. First fucking day.
We are
Right.
at Hathipur.
Yes, we're at Hathipur in Udaipur. This is like a market for everything actually. I got a footwear and 2 clothing wear and a bag. So, broke as fuck. Now we're going into another shop. Not for me. I'm not gonna buy anything. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we go for dinner, I guess. I'm out of breath, but okay.
ये पूर्वी है, ये पूर्वी के दोस्त हैं
और ये पावरी हो रही है.
यहाँ क्या पता चाहिए हम लोग मैंने अभी देखा ना बूमरैंग कर ऐसे लैग हो रहा है ऐसे करके उसके पास करना कैमरा लैग हो रहा है अबे लाइव नहीं कर सकते सैमसंग को हाँ यार मेरे को गुस्सा तो इंस्टाग्राम खोल इंस्टाग्राम पे तो कर सकती है
At कहाँ पे हम लोग? कनक ना?
कनक रेस्टोरेंट
Okay, so we're at Kanak restaurant. We came here for share. Okay, so we were supposed to get a thali, but they said we cannot share. So we got normal food. Okay guys, it's officially day 2. It might be echoing here, but okay, so we are going to get some chai. It's like 7 a.m. So let's go. Okay, so we are finally at Buddy Lake, and it's very peaceful and very pretty. So I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. I don't know where we're going from here, but for now we're here.
बोलना मेरे बारे में अच्छा कुछ तो
She looks like a Shraddha. Hey guys, we just got back from Buddy Lake and now we're going up a hill, Bahubali Hill. It's a small trek, but I'm already tired because a bitch can walk. So let's see how this goes, if I survive. Okay, so I basically didn't make it to the top because I'm too tired. So I'm here on the semi-top, I guess. It's pretty over here. I don't think I can walk more, so I'm just staying here. My friends are up there. They have my camera, so you'll see some good pictures from the top. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Oh, you cannot see me. That's it pretty much. Okay, I'll see you, I don't know when.
One eternity later.
And guys, I decided to grow some balls and I'm almost at the top. I made it. I'm very fucking tired. I'm going to go to sleep after I get to the room back where we're staying. But for now, I grew some fucking balls and I'm at the top. I'll show you the view. It was worth it. What are you guys doing?
We are mixing everything together. Like we have a bomb of flavors in our mouth.
Now this is going that is going
The bomb will explode. We are also going to add these chutneys by the way.
and we are all
Now we are adding garlic chutney. And this is I think pudina and mango mix. I think so. And this is chili.
Okay. Taste test. चलो.
We have curry also, but nahi. Nahi. That's going to be too far-fetched.
नहीं अच्छा लगेगा मिक्स करो.
Actually garlic chutney.
Spicy no?
We are done mixing. And we are going to do the taste test.
Hey, I'll also taste ना.
हाँ, sure.
सब लोग एक एक बाइट लो.
Everyone can taste.
Like लोग पहले अपनी थाली खत्म करो फिर टेस्ट करो.
We're already tired. Spoon. कितना बड़ा
I am going to name the dish that you made. थोड़ा सा
मला.
It's a khichdi.
Now let's see what Purvi thinks of it.
It's good.
बहुत बड़ा घास है.
It's really good.
It is marinated with green chutney.
So professional.
But still, but it tastes good.
Yeah.
I like the flavor of green chutney. What do you guys think? Do you want to taste? Good?
Done.
Nice.
इसका face करा.
Successful.
Yes.
Okay guys, it is part 2 of day 2. Day 2, technically day 1, but no, technically day 2, but practically day 1. We are leaving for Bagor Ki Haveli, and we're also going to go to Gangor Ghat. We're going for what is it Dharohar dance? If it's not right, I'll put it on the screen. But we are going there. I didn't get a clip of my outfit, but I'll put up pictures if I get pictures. I don't think I'm gonna get pictures. So yeah, we're leaving right now. We have 2 other girls with us. There are roomies now. We're staying at a hostel, so we have 1 more roomie, 2 more roomies. So we're all leaving right about now. I don't have a watch. I don't know why I looked. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, we are at Gangor Ghat right now. So we have a dance show at the Bagor Ki Haveli at 8. We were supposed to go for the 7 to 8 show, but it's full. So we got the 8 to 9 show, and we are sitting by the ghat. It's really beautiful, and there's music in the background. So we're just enjoying, sinking it in, and then we're gonna go for the show, which I'll vlog obviously. And I don't know what after that. I think dinner, yeah, of course. So yeah, I have a lot of plans for tomorrow. We have a lot of plans for tomorrow. So I'm really excited for tomorrow's day. And it's gonna be a very hectic day, I guess.
No, just saying.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned.
And the play.
Rishi.
Dr. Vidansh, what do you say? The bride is ready, the barat is ready. In fact, when Udaipur, it would be a great destination wedding. Lake Palace, Udaipur, सब खाली चल रहे हैं. क्या कहते हैं? हाँ या ना? ना? हाय, sorry, Supra, I can't help you there.
Okay, guys, we are done with the what show? What was that? Dharohar dance show, no?
I guess.
हाँ, Dharohar dance show at the Bagor ki Haveli. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And it was by far the best part of Udaipur.
Best part.
Holy
I
shit.
guess best part of the day. By far that
By
trip.
far, yes,
And it's going to
exactly.
be the memorable one.
I don't know what's gonna top that, but it was so fucking amazing. I'm wowed. After the dal bati I ate in the morning, this was the best part.
It's पैसा वसूल.
Literally.
So पूरा दिन आज का हमारा पैसा वसूल था.
Literally,
These are the
dude.
captions.
Oh my god, literally. It was so good. Holy shit. And now we're heading to dinner. Apparently there is like a 10 after 10 p.m. it's very difficult to get dinner. So we are trying to get to a place. It's me again. So we're at the end of day 2 now. At this point my phone died, so I couldn't vlog, but that's when everything went downhill with us. So at this point it's really late, like around 10:30 I believe, 10:30, approximately 11 o'clock, and we're walking to this restaurant because one of the girls that was with us, one of the solo travelers, she wanted to treat us to a dinner that night, but we got the ticket issue. You heard about that. So we go to this restaurant named Shamiana, I think it was. Really beautiful rooftop, obviously, have a beautiful view, and it's really cold. Okay, so it's February and it's really cold. We're sitting there, we sat there for an hour. First we had like 20 minutes of waiting because they said we don't have seats, so we're like, okay, we'll sit inside, and then when you have the table free, just let us know, we'll go out and take our orders. So we go out after they call us, like 20 minutes after that, and we sit there for another hour. We played a game, but for a few minutes, like 30 minutes, we were like, okay, fine, like we'll just play games. But then everyone started getting so hungry. We were so annoyed, and they were not coming up with the food. I think we only got one of our starters, and then we were so angry that we had to leave. And by this time it was around 12:30, you guys. It was 12:30. No, it was like 12 a.m. Midnight by this time, and we were all very hungry. So we got out from there, and the issue is, I talked about in the vlog that after 10 o'clock it's really difficult to get dinner in Udaipur, in the area at least where we were. So we were like, oh my god, I do need to eat, and there was no Domino's around. So we were like, what are we gonna do? So there was this really nice place that we found. I'll put the details on the screen. I really don't remember the names. It was another hostel, but they had a rooftop restaurant, and one of the girls called the owner through, I think, Google, and asked them if they could prepare dinner for us. So they were like, yeah, we still have dinner, so you can come up. And we literally walked for another 15 minutes. By this time it was 12:30 already. We reached there. 10 minutes later our food was there, and then we ate like animals. So that's what I wanted to update you about. But with this issue, the next morning was the issue because we had plans starting early next day, but we didn't end up going there. We were supposed to go to a place to watch sunrise at like obviously early hour, but because of reaching late to the hostel, we reached the hostel around 2 a.m. I think. We all slept, and we were like, we're not getting up before 9 tomorrow morning. So yeah, that's what happened, and I think we went to bed directly.